Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the second part of duplex house designing. Guys, if you didn't watch the previous video of duplex house designing, then the link is given below of the description box. Go and check it out. Okay guys, now let's watch the second part of duplex house designing. Guys, in this video, I will show you the interior designing of duplex house in 3D photo slideshow. Okay guys, without wasting your time, I will going to show you the 3D photo slideshow.